The rise of AI and programs like ChatGPT make the thought of AI replacing our jobs seem more realistic than ever before. But will it actually? Let's start with one of the easiest jobs for AI to replace: journalists. There are some websites already run by AI. They can generate articles about current events and without any author. No need to spend lots of time writing long articles or wasting money to hire journalists. Now this sounds wonderful for news companies, but there's already a few problems with it. First of all, AI's writing just isn't that good.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Also, AI isn't the most reliable for information. And what website using AI claimed Joe Biden was dead? Which he obviously is not, as far as I'm aware anyways. Although journalists can't be replaced right now, other jobs can. In fact, over 50% of banks claim that they use AI. In the future, all sorts of jobs could be replaced, like software developers and possible jobs that are related to the physical world. And even today, although not using AI, most factories are already automated. Now you might be worrying that AI actually has a fair chance of taking over our jobs in the near future. And according to some websites, they will, and 800 million jobs will be replaced by AI by 2030. Now this is of course just an estimate, but from what we've seen AI do, it doesn't seem too far-fetched. Although this is similar to what happened in England when revolving doors were invented. Because of this, lots of doormen were fired, but the thing was that the doormen weren't only opening doors. They were doing other things like helping people carry their luggage and guiding customers. The hotel companies soon realized this and rehired the doorman. This is known as the doorman fallacy, and the situation could happen with AI. AI is not a human, and so far they aren't very good at acting human. So by replacing authors, journalists, and our jobs with AI, we'll fear losing what might be the most important things of these jobs: the human part.